wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. Oh.
Well, hello, darlings, and welcome back. My name is DarlingrAnita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back. Well, if you do love lifestyle and travel and fashion videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Well, today is all about unboxing the February box from the Delta box. And you saying, okay, girlfriend, this is March. Yes, happy Sisterhood Month to each and every one of you. Whether or not you are a Delta or not, it is Sisterhood Month and you need to love on your sisters. But I wanted to make sure I unbox the box in the month of March because, you know, we've been having some challenges with getting our box on time for that particular month. And I did not want Sisterhood to go bye-bye, and I did not unbox the box for you. So I got my February box on time in the month of February, and I tell you, I was excited that I got that email notification that your Delta box has been shipped. So this is the box. I did pre-open it because I didn't want to struggle with opening this box for you. So now, something I did notice about the box, if you guys can see, I don't know, maybe I didn't pay attention on the other boxes, but it has the triangle, our symbol that is on the box. If you want to say the triangle is our symbol, but hey, it's something that is dealing with the Deltas, okay, my sisters, okay? So, of course, we know that what's the theme is for the month of February. It's nothing but Black History Month. So I'm excited to see if what's in the box is pertaining to Black History Month. So, okay, so of course you already know it comes with some tissue that represents, it don't represent Delta this time. Normally it will be red, but it is black. And then it comes with your shipping information that if you do need to return anything, that option is available for you. Now, we do have a return label, of course, like I said. And there is a card that reads, I am Black History. Okay, I told you I had to do for the month of February for Black History. Okay, so the theme again, like I said, is I am Black History. What's in the box? Okay, so what we have here is let me see, they said a Fortitude. Okay. I am loving this already. You see? I am loving this already, okay? All right, let me open this bad boy up. I wonder if it's a jacket, because we got a jacket last month for January. Okay, so is that why that tissue was black? Because this time this is black, but try to figure out what is this. We got these two. I don't know. What are these? Is it Velcro? Okay, it's Velcro. It sticks. It sticks. Sticks together. Okay, let's see. I'm going to have to read and see what's in here. Okay, it is a vest. Oh. Y'all, it is a vest. And look. On the back, it has our letters. And then, of course, the Fortitude. Ooh, and it's black and red. Now I know what this is for. These are the Velcro that you can put, let me see, like this. You can stick it on there if you desire to do it that way. Okay, and if you don't want to do it that way, let's take this off here. And we can use the blank one. And put it, did I do it right? Yeah, put it on here. Voila. You have a choice to do it any way you want. That is cool. But of course, I'm going to use the Delta Sigma Theta, okay? I am going to use this. So, what else did we get? We did get a hat. And it is a hat with our Fortitude Am I pronouncing it right? I am so tired, guys. On it, this is the hat. And this, we have Delta Sigma Theta on the back. Again, it's a hat that you can adjust to the size of your head. This is nice. This is a nice hat. It's very different from the other hats that I have been receiving from Delta. Is normally is red and white. So it is black. This month it is black. Okay, theme black. Okay, I get you, sisters. I get it. Black, black, black. History Month. Okay. I got it. Okay, so this is a nice item. These are nice items for the month of February. So if you want to know, it is the size medium. Again, like I said, it faithfully comes out of my account each month. And I think it's $49.95, but I'm telling you, they do come on time with that fee. They take that money out. But again, the hiccups is not bad when it comes, because everything has a challenge to it. The only challenge, again, is the shipping. You're not getting them in a timely manner. And it's not because of you guys. It is because of your shipping company that you're using. I do suggest that you try to go back FedEx, because when they were doing it, I think it was FedEx when it first started, we were getting our packages on time. Or was it the UPS? One of them. But the Postal Service is just not working. Sister, Postal Service is not working. But I love this jacket. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. If you do interested in getting this for yourself or for a new Sora or a Sora for their birthday or for Sisterhood Month, I will have the link below that all you need to do is click on it. Go ahead and make your purchase. Again, it's $49.95 for your box, and you can get it recurring, or you can just get it for that 1 month if you want to get it for a gift. They don't have to send it to you. You can also have them sent to whoever you want them to send to for that package. So thank you guys for staying to the end. If you saw something that was very interesting to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because my goal is that I will upload videos at least twice a week with either one full video and one short. Until the next video, know that you are beautiful from your head to your toes, and that you are loved. You're loved by me, but most of all, you are loved by God. Happy Sister Month to you. Bye.